welcome back to the channel Nikki's Beauty Palette. Today I'm going to share with you a very short, small yet simple skincare routine which is going to be a very fast skincare routine because it is including only 2 products. So if you want to know about what product these are, what is the cost and how to use the products, so please stay tuned with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get jump into the video. So these are 2 products which I received from brand Sirona. If you don't know about the brand Sirona, Sirona is the award-winning brand in India. I received this product before 15 days. Products are very good. What product these are? This is a exfoliating face wash which is our skincare routine's first step, and this is a face serum. This face serum is anti-acne face serum. This is a very good face serum, guys. I'm going to share with you all about these 2 products. So firstly, I'm going to share a face wash with you and then the serum. Okay, so this is the face wash. I'm going to share with you this face wash first. So let's check out all the ingredients, price and the packaging and the quantity and what type of face wash is this. So let's check out. So why this Sirona exfoliating face wash? If you don't know about exfoliation, I'll tell you in a short. Exfoliation helps to keep your skin silky soft and smooth by buffing away and removing dead skin cells from your face or your skin. And this face wash exactly does that. These green signals indicates that the product is 100% organic and toxic free and free from any toxic element or chemicals and parabens. Also, this face wash can be used by all skin type. The price of the face wash is just rupees 375 and you will get 120 ml of the product. Let's check out the exotic element of this exfoliating face wash. So the first ingredient of this face wash is Tasmanian pepper fruit. This exotic ingredient helps to reduce redness and also the irritations. Another ingredient is Rhodiola rosea root extract. It has a super anti-aging property which firms up the skin and reduce fine lines. The next ingredient of the face wash is flaxseed extract, which also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Another ingredient is beetroot extract, which is rich in vitamin C, which helps your skin to glow. Another ingredient of this face wash is coconut oil extract, which cleans the skin with a natural foaming properties. Next ingredient is mint oil, which acts like an astringent that reduces acne, blackheads and makes your skin soft. And another ingredient is apricot seed powder, which exfoliates the skin and makes skin soft. This face wash helps to reduce your acne, remove excessive oil, and thus it helps to clear your skin. Also, it helps to clear impurities and makes your skin glow naturally. Let's have a look how to use the face wash. I am using hands for the demo because I thought it gives the closer look to the product. Wash your face with water. Take a small amount of face wash and rub gently. The granules of the face wash is very fine, also very gentle on your skin. The texture of the face wash is very smooth. As it has a mint oil, it feels cool on face, which I like very much. This product is 100% natural, so no more side effect and irritation, so don't worry about that. Fragrance is also very refreshing. I am loving this fragrance and I am loving this face wash since I am using this. Every time whenever I use this face wash, I feel very fresh and very healthy skin. It gives you very fresh feeling. These products can be used by both men and women. Best part of this product is these products are made in India products. So this is another product also from the brand Sirona, a face serum, anti-acne face serum. Let's have a look about this product, all the ingredients and the packaging also, and the price. Yes, mainly the price. Let's move on to the anti-acne face serum. It removes acne marks and scars. This is very good for acne prone skin. Can you see this plus sign? This indicates that the products are dermatologically tested. The Price of the serum is rupees 599 and you will get 30 ml of product. Let's talk about the ingredient of this acne face serum. It has a salicylic acid, which is the main ingredient of this face serum. Salicylic acid which clears the pores and the redness. It has a tea tree oil which smooths the skin and prevents acne. It has vitamin E which heals the skin and also it helps to regenerate the cells. It has a hyaluronic acid which moisturizes the skin very well. So how to use this serum? Let's take a small amount of serum. Again I am using hand for the closer look of the product. So take a small amount of serum and dab the serum on the face and press it until the serum get absorbed by the skin. This serum is so good, non-greasy. It softens your skin very well. I feel my skin very soft whenever I use this serum on my face. The skin is glowing and also the skin is very soft, not at all greasy, not at all oily, not kind of chippy serum. And you can also use this oil on your underarms, your legs and your bikini lines. So you can say this oil or this serum is multi-purpose. Trust me, this is a very good serum I am using and I am getting a very good result from this serum. So if you like the product and in case you want to buy these products, I provide a link in the description box below. You can buy these products from the link. Other product from the brand Sirona is also amazing. I use a menstrual cup from the brand Sirona. It is very good, and also other products like a razor, hair razor. So many products from the brand Sirona. I'll notify all the things in a description box below. I personally really like this product, especially the face wash. It's very exfoliating, and also the serum. These products are really highly recommended from my side. So that's it for today guys. Until next time, see you, bye bye. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay beautiful and stay tuned with Nikki's Beauty Palette. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.